Hello everyone, welcome to another digital lecture, class 12th, business studies. In our last video, we have studied about levels and functions of management. Now we will discuss about functions of management. All functions of management are universal. Management is a broad and multidimensional term. Its functions also vary widely and different. The level and importance of management depends on the size of the management task. Managerial work, planning, organizing, controlling, directing, etc. are carried out in all areas of social, political, religious, sports, and business, etc. The managerial process continues in all those places where some people are trying to work together to achieve a certain objective. Management means to get other people to work. Under the management process, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling many activities interrelated to each other are included. These activities are known as functions or elements of management. These functions may be classified as primary functions and secondary functions. First of all, we discuss about primary functions. First point is planning. Planning is the first and foremost function of management, the complete determination of what should be done in the future to achieve the goal set by an organization is called planning. Planning is essential for the success of any organization. Planning guides the business at every step and aware of future risk. In the absence of planning, the organization gets improper. Planning is a mental process. It means think before doing. Planning is an essential part of management. Planning is necessary in every institution, be it large, medium, or small. Planning is bring the gap between where we stand today and where we want to reach. Planning is the base of all other functions of management. It involves determination of objectives, determination of policies, determination of working method, determination of rules. Second point is organizing. Organization is the second important function of management. No organization can survive without organization. Organization is the collective effort of human and machine to achieve the goal. An organization is a group of two or more persons. Without a strong organization, management cannot achieve its goal. It is through the organization that the manager directs, controls, and coordinates his subordinates. The organization is divided into two parts by Henry Fayol. Human organization, in which workers and other employees are arranged. Physical organization, under which raw materials, machines, plants, etc. are arranged. Organizing involves identifying the various activities, grouping them under proper head, assigning duties to the individual, establishing authority and responsibility, relationship, and allocating resources to carry out specific plans for the achievement of organizational goals. Third point is staffing. Appointment is the selection of the right person for the right job. The success of the organization depends on the appointment of sufficient amount of employees according to the nature of the organization. An important function of management is the appointment of officers and employees, training them, transfer, promotion, and discharge of service, etc. The more qualified, trained, experienced, and efficient the staff of an organization, the more effective its management will be. Fourth point is directing. Directing is mean to guide the subordinates. Direction are not just orders, but employees are also motivated to work freely. Directing functions includes supervision, communication, leadership, motivation. Here first, supervision. Orders are received from high officers. The supervisor works to deliver them to the workers. He gives orders to the workers and listens to their problems and also solve them. He maintains a good relationship between the owner and the workers. It is his responsibility to take work from the workers. Communication. Communication means to the oral or written exchange of information, suggestion, request, or order. Effective communication is the basic foundation of an organization's management system. Effective communication increases management efficiency. Cooperation and coordination are encouraged. Decisions can be implemented quickly and effective leadership can be made possible. And effective communication should be clear, polite, etc. Leadership. Leadership is the quality of a person in which he guides his followers in any business organization efficient. Leadership is a pillar on which the success of the organization depends. Motivation. Motivation is the power by which a person is motivated to act. Employees have to be motivated for the proper use of all means so that there is a desire to work. Motivation is the desire of employees to work. Their morale increases, which makes it easier to achieve the objectives of the organization. Motivation is the continuous process. Motivation can be both monetary and non-monetary. Controlling. Controlling is an important function of management. The importance of control in business cannot be forgotten. The purpose of control is to find out the weakness and deviation of work. With efficient control system, all the business functions are done correctly. Careless and unskilled employees and managerial inefficiency can be found out. Secondary function of management. First point is innovation. Innovation is an important secondary function of management under which the emphasis is on the discovery of new techniques as well as new working methods. Innovation means new design for production. For the progress of business, it is necessary that new methods are used in various areas of production, marketing, control, operations, motivation, and human behavior. So business established the research and development department from the beginning. Second point is decision making. The work that is done in organization by management is done by decision making. Business has to take decisions in all stages from beginning to end. Decision making is an mental process. No action goes ahead without decision. Decision making is a part of management task. Forecasting. Management also acts as an estimate of future action such as quantity of production, selling price, marketing area, profit, etc. Fourth point is research. Research is also an important function of management. Research work in relation to the quality of product, technique of production, cost control, fashion, demand, choice of the consumer, etc. So today we understood primary functions and secondary functions of management. If you have any doubt related to these topics, write below in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you very much.